can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, Kusama. The last 1 month has seen Kusama rally up by 94%. The last 1 year has seen Kusama rally up by more than 121%. Good time to returning back to the altcoin market. Altcoins are pumping on a weekly, monthly, on a yearly time frame. How high can Kusama go in 2024? What's realistic price expectation for Kusama? Can we get to new all-time highs? Where those key levels will be finding resistance? In this video, we'll take a look at the Kusama US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. We'll also look at Kusama's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin. And we'll finally look at Kusama's market cap, which trades around the $420 million level. Can we rally to as high as $5 billion before the end of 2024? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Kusama currently trades around $49.9, guys. We saw Kusama rallying to new all-time highs in the previous bull market, trading above $600. After Kusama was launched way back in 2019, it started a huge pump to the moon. That huge pump took us from as low as $0.94. It took Kusama getting to as high as $600. Crazy things can happen when the market is very bullish. Those crazy things happen in very long period of time. Those crazy things can happen very quickly. We saw Kusama in 464 days rally up by more than 67,000%, guys. For context sake, just $1,000 invested in Kusama in 2019 would have returned over $600,000 by 2021. But with huge pumps in the altcoin market also come huge dumps. This is one of the most volatile markets in the world. You have to be able to stomach the volatility. Yes, you can make huge gains. At the same time, you can make huge losses if you don't make the right move. We saw Kusama dumping to Goblin Town. This happens anytime Bitcoin goes on a bear market. You see altcoins having huge dumps because those altcoins had huge pumps when the market was bullish. And in that bear market, in Kusama's first full crypto bear market, we saw Kusama losing over 97% of its value in over 889 days. The bear market can be rough, the bear market can be brutal, but guys, the bear market is where you get good value for money. The bear market is where you get your first 10x, your first 100x, maybe your first 50x pump to the moon. We've seen Kusama get above the highs we set in 2023. In 2023, the highest saw Kusama trading was the $46 level, but right now we've seen Kusama go higher than that. I will not be shocked in the coming days and the coming weeks if we continue our march to higher prices. But one key level to watch out for Kusama in 2024, this might be the highest we see Kusama trade in 2024 is going to be around the $200 region. For Kusama to get to $200 from where we're currently trading right now, guys, we need it to pump to the moon. We need it to rally up from the $50 region. We need Kusama to give us around the 300% pump. Can 300% pump happen for Kusama in 2024? Hell yeah, it can happen. It can happen even very quickly. Using that Fibonacci retracement tool from the top that happened to Kusama in 2021 to the bottom. Key levels to watch out for using the Fibonacci retracement tool. We can easily see Kusama maybe go above that $200 level, but there's strong resistance waiting for us at the $250 region. You're going to see a lot of people saying we're going to the moon, guys. You're going to see a lot of bullish sentiments when we get to that $250 region. If Kusama can get to the $250 region, we'll not be far off the previous all-time highs. From that key level, Kusama will just be down around 60% from its all-time highs. Even if we stop at the $200 region, Kusama will only be down 67% from its all-time highs. At that point in time, it will be convenient to buy the dip. At that point in time, a lot of people will be happy, thinking we'll continue going to the moon. But guys, the market moves in waves, the market moves in cycles, and anytime we see a big pump in the market, we should expect a big dump in the nearest future. And anytime we're experiencing a big dump in the market, we should know that a big pump is ahead of us. And right now in 2024, I expect Kusama to start the year on a very bright note. But guys, we shall see a big dump in 2024. And only those who are prepared for it can survive. Only those who are willing to buy the dump and sell the pumps are going to be able to get the dumps in future. This is a liquidity game. If you don't sell some when we're heading to higher prices, when we eventually see that big dump to Goblin Town, how will you buy the dip? Your number one job is to buy the lows. And to sell the highs, let's take a look at some key details about Kusama, which currently trades around the $50 region. With a market cap of over $422 million, Kusama has a circulating supply of 8.4 million tokens. With Kusama's fully diluted market cap sitting at $480 million. The all-time high for Kusama happened on the 18th of May 2021. Kusama traded for as high as $623,000. Right now, Kusama is down 91% from its all-time highs. If you want to get Kusama for yourself, if you want to buy some, you can do that on Binance, on OKX, on HTX, on Coinbase, on Kraken, on KuCoin, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Kusama right there. Kusama is self-described as Polkadot, while causing Kusama is an experimental blockchain platform that is designed to provide a massively interoperable and scalable framework for developers. Kusama is built on Substrate, a blockchain built-in kit developed by Parity Technologies. Kusama has almost the same code base as Polkadot, one of the most successful interoperable blockchain. Expecting Kusama to outperform Bitcoin in 2024 and expecting Kusama to have a big pump in 2024 against Bitcoin. But guys, I don't expect that pump to carry us to new all-time highs. I expect that pump to carry Kusama up against Bitcoin by 300, 400, maybe even as high as 500%. We have seen Bitcoin have a crazy 2023. We're expecting altcoins to have a crazy 2024, where we'll see altcoins making huge strides against the US dollar, against Bitcoin, against Ethereum. Guys, when the market gets very bullish, like we're seeing right now, a lot of people start selling off their Bitcoin in profit, their Ethereum in profit. Where are they carrying that money to? The money is flowing to the altcoin market. They are chasing those gains. They are chasing those 100% moves in 1 week, those 900% moves in 1 month, all those epic pumps we see in the altcoin market. And if you take a look at Kusama's market cap, currently at the $422 million level, we dropped to as low as $144 million in this bear market. Key levels to watch out for: we need to blast above that $550 million region, and I will not be shocked if Kusama sees a lot of resistance when we see the market cap clocking $1.7 billion. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think Kusama is getting to new all-time highs in 2024? Do you think I'm overly bearish on Kusama's chances of getting to new all-time highs? And more importantly, how high do you see Kusama going in 2024? Where will you be selling for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.